Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing a common error that many of you may have encountered when working with custom keras models in TensorFlow. The error in question is TypeError Unsupported integer size 0, which occurs when attempting to save your model using the tf.keras.Model.save method, specifically when trying to save it in HDF5 or keras format. This topic is particularly important for anyone who has delved into building and deploying deep learning models. Saving and loading models are crucial steps in any machine learning workflow, allowing you to share your work, continue training from where you left off, or deploy your model into production environment. Understanding how to resolve this error will not only save you time, but also ensure that your models can be easily shared and reused. In this video, we'll break down what this error means, why it occurs, and most importantly, provide a clear step-by-step guide on how to fix it. By the end of this discussion, you should have a solid understanding of how to successfully save your custom keras model without running into this type error. The type error, unsupported integer size 0. Error typically arises when there's an issue with the way TensorFlow handles certain data types within your model. Specifically, it can occur due to mismatches in the data type of variables or constants within your custom layers or models. One common reason for this error is the improper use of integer sizes that don't align with what TensorFlow expects. For instance, if you're defining a layer with an unsupported integer size, which could be as a result of a calculation error leading to 0, TensorFlow won't know how to handle it when saving the model in formats like HDF5 or keras, which are designed for more standardized data types. To resolve this issue, let's go through a logical step-by-step process. 1. Review your model definition. The first step is to carefully review your custom keras model definition. Pay particular attention to any places where you're defining layers, variables, or constants with integer sizes. 2. Check for calculation errors. Look out for calculations that might result in 0 or other unsupported integer sizes being passed into layer definitions. 3. Standardize your data types. Ensure that all your data types are compatible and standardized throughout your model. TensorFlow supports a variety of data types, but when saving models, it's crucial to stick with the most commonly supported ones. 4. Test model components. Individually sometimes, isolating the problem can be as simple as testing each component of your model individually. Try saving simpler versions of your model or its components to identify where exactly the error is occurring. 5. Update your TensorFlow version, if necessary. In some cases, this issue might arise due to a version mismatch or a bug in the version of TensorFlow you're using. Ensure you have the latest stable version installed. By meticulously going through these steps and adjusting your model as necessary, you should be able to resolve the type error, unsupported integer size 0 error and successfully save your custom keras model in HDF5 or keras format. The type error, unsupported integer size 0 error occurs due to mismatches in data types within TensorFlow models. Reviewing your model definition, checking for calculation errors, standardizing data types, and testing components individually are key steps towards resolving the issue. Keeping your TensorFlow version up to date is also crucial. Thank you for joining me on this explanation of how to fix the type error, unsupported integer size 0 error when saving custom keras models in TensorFlow. If you've encountered this issue before, we hope these steps have been helpful in guiding you towards a solution. If you have any more questions or topics related to deep learning in TensorFlow that you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it's helped you, and consider subscribing for more content on AI and machine learning. Until next time.